Checks and their consequences. Welcome to Law Made Simple. Today, we're diving into the world of checks, what they are, how they work, and what legal trouble you could face if one bounces. Let's break it all down, simply and clearly. What is a check? A check is a written order to a bank, telling it to pay a specific amount from your account to someone else. It includes the date, the payee's name, the amount in numbers and words, your signature, and your account details. It's like a paper promise, but it's legally binding. Types of checks. There are different types of checks you should know about. Bearer checks can be cashed by anyone. Order checks are for a specific person. Cross checks can only be deposited into a bank account. And post-dated checks are meant for future payments. Each type has different risks and uses. Why do checks bounce? A check can bounce for many reasons. Maybe there's not enough money in the account, or the signature doesn't match, or the check is outdated. Even minor errors or overwriting can lead to rejection. And when a check bounces, serious consequences can follow. Legal consequences in India, Section 138. In India, check bouncing is a criminal offense under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. You could face a fine up to twice the check amount, or even jail for up to 2 years. Legal notice must be sent within 30 days, and if the issue isn't resolved in 15 days, a court case can begin. Legal consequences in other countries. In the US, Canada, and the UK, check bounce issues are usually civil but can turn criminal if there's intent to defraud. You might face bank penalties, lawsuits, and credit score damage. Some banks can even close your account if it happens repeatedly. Real-life example. Here's a real example. A business issued a post-dated check for 1 lakh rupees. When it was deposited, it bounced. The vendor filed a case under Section 138. The court ordered double the amount plus legal fees. It's a clear reminder. Don't issue checks carelessly. How to avoid check trouble. Want to avoid check-related issues? Keep enough funds in your account. Never sign blank checks, avoid overwriting, and always issue cross-checks for added safety. Whenever possible, use digital payments. They're quicker and easier to trace.
Summary.
To sum up, checks are still widely used and legally powerful. But if one bounces, you could end up in court or worse. Know your responsibilities. Double-check every detail, and don't treat checks lightly. Call to action. Law made simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Law Made Simple for more practical legal advice. Have a check story or question? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future videos.